The U.S. has begun a second wave of anti-dumping and anti-subsidy probes into Chinese solar products. On Tuesday, the U.S. government issued a preliminary anti-subsidy ruling on Chinese solar panels. Now, some fear that that may be the end for Chinese solar panel manufacturers in the United States. Ning Hong has more.
The ruling from the U.S. Department of Commerce is a major setback for Chinese solar manufacturers in the overseas market. Once the rulings are put into effect, the U.S. market will be virtually closed off for these manufacturers.
The ruling is wrong and we are very angry. Our price will be forced to rise and this will intensify global competition and threaten the survival of our factories and the jobs of workers in the PV industry in the U.S.
In 2012, when the first such rulings on Chinese solar panels came out, manufacturing was shifted to Taiwan as a springboard into the U.S. market. Will manufacturers find another way to avoid the ruling this time around?
We will continue working with other manufacturers in China and the U.S. to fight against the injustice of this ruling. In the meantime, we will speed up the transition and upgrade our products. More importantly, we will actively explore new markets.
Although domestic and Asian markets are growing fast, the U.S. market is still the largest one. Domestic manufacturers brought this to the notice of the Ministry of Commerce, hoping for some backing for their case this time. Solar power is one of the green energy of the future with perhaps the most potential. This is why governments globally, including China, are helping along in its development. The latest trade spat with the United States is one of a long line of trade disputes between the two countries. One can only hope that the access to cleaner energy will not be sacrificed over disagreement over pricing. Ning Hong, CCTV, Hebei Province.